Welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall Mokka 2014 1.4 engine, basically 15, 16, 2017, 18 also same things. Remember we done couple of weeks ago wiper. Have a look how it's going to be work. I'm going to activate this one. Yeah, still working fine. Success job. I'm not going to talk about that matter, but it's success. I want to show you we done the good job. Now today I got the code. According to the onboard computer, it say code 89. When I check, they're talking about related to the engine oil, or sometimes they're talking about contaminated oil. However, I'm going to the menu and turn this button until service coming. See the service life, customer reset, it's 100%. Little bit I have a doubt. I don't know. I'm going to change the engine oil, but however, I have another person to help me. My computer. Basically, I got the full scan report. Then it's come with the only, you can see, only one fault. They're talking about P0599 engine coolant thermostat heater control unit high voltage. Now I have a bit doubt. Can I go with this computer or can I go with this onboard computer? 50-50. Yeah. To be honest, my experience, I'm happy to follow my computer, and I'm going to the engine bay and show you what's going on there. However, I'm feeling I'm not going to do the engine oil because of this faulty code 89. I'm switch off and start the car. You can see this code 89. I'm not worried at the moment for this message, because many people talk about the engine oil and oil filter need to change and the reset the thing. To be honest, personally, I'm not feeling I want to do this job. First, I'm going to follow my computer instruction and show you what I'm going to do in the engine bay as a first step. If you want to go to the engine bay, you need to open this latch. Now what I'm going to do, there is a one water exchange unit, water, or sometimes they are calling water flange, sometimes they are calling thermostat water exchange. However, this unit underneath here, you can see this is the unit. I'm not going to change that unit. Basically, I'm going to change underneath here, underneath the airbox, underneath straight here, another thermostat unit. I feeling we need to change this thermostat unit. However, then I'm going to show you how am I going to change this unit. It's not hard. Basically, this is the unit we are going to change. It's holding with 3 nuts or screws. However, it sit on right behind of underneath here. Then I have to remove this duct hose, and I don't know underneath. Sometime I'm going to remove this one also. It's easy to me. Anyway, I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to remove, and I'll show you how am I going to remove. Yeah, let's go that way. Right, I'll remove 7mm head here, 7mm head there. Then after that, remove the old one. Then I'm going to cover this turbo inlet air hose. If something drop, it's going inside. After that, I'm going to move this pipe little bit out of the way like this. After that, I'm going to use this tray underneath, catch the coolant. I'm going to remove this one, just lift up out, make much space here. After that, I'm going to remove electrical connector. Right, there is a red color thing, just lift up. After that, inside black color bit, press in, you can lift up, leave it out of the way. And after that, in here there is a clip we need to pull, disconnect, wiggle and disconnect main hose. Right, I'm going to remove this clip, just bring it back a little bit like this. Then after that, wiggle this hose and remove. See, it's little bit come out. I need to use both hands. Right, see, it came out. Leave it out of the way. You can press in this clip, leave it out of the way. Now another hose inside, you can see here there is another hose coming to the here. This one I already removed. This hose I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to remove this 3 nut first, take out whole unit and try to remove this one, otherwise I don't have enough space to play around that area. It's E12 socket, just cracked from the, not much space there. I'm going to remove this air hose also. Well, you need a like this pick because it's in my way. It's bit awkward place. I'm going to remove this connector also. Well, right, it's out. Now I have a clear access to that connector. Just squeeze in from the both side and bit hard. Anyway, I'm going to close here. Right, it's out. Right, don't going to play much around this area. This air, another tiny air hose also here. I'm just leave it out of the way. Little bit, remove it from here. Tiny out. Yes, that's it. Right, now we have a clear access to the this nut and the bottom one. Right, all water coming out from there. Right, we'll see. See, scallops inside. Yeah, this is the problem. See, this one came out. When you see here, this one, it's connected, sit on inside. This is the problem. Right, now we know the cause. Yeah, this bits fell off underneath the engine. Is not a problem. I'll pick up later. Now next step, need to remove this hose inside one. Right, it's a bit hard, play with this one and just using that one. And if you have a right tool for right job, it's a bit easy. Then after that, I'm going to compare new one and the old one. Here is 2 pin. When I remove this rubber thing, you can see 2 pin. Yeah, exactly the correct one. I'm going to reinstall new one. First, I'm going to install to the this hose. Sorry, can't film much. Everything bit tight there, bit difficult to feed that pipe. Should be, it's in now. No, need to come bit more. Right, managed to do inside hose. Help with this tool, it's very useful. Now next step, I'm going to bolt in that 3 bolts. Make sure inside rubber o-ring sit on nicely. Right, 2 bolts on. Need to go with the feeling. Right, done by the hand. Now I'm going to do the final tight using my ratchet. All nice and tight. After that, I'm going to connect this air duct or breather hose. Just push in. Right, and after that, going to connect this electrical connector for the thermostat. Right, it's in. Now make sure this tiny skinny line go with the connectors. I don't want to break that one. Right, it's going to the disconnectors. Right, all tucked in. Then after that, I'm going to connect main hose. Make sure just plug or clip in. Right, I can hear it's in. Then after that, need to connect this line, one here and one there. All good. That should be. Next one, this one. Remove here and install this. Right, and tight from here. Nice and tight. After that, this hose, bigger side for here, smaller side into the turbo breather. This one from here. Right, right. This one just push in here, push it into the hole, just clip in here. That's it at the moment. Then after that, I'm going to top up coolant. I'm leave it for the settle down with the gravity. Right, I'm going to inside the car, leave it the cap open. I'm inside the car, just going to start the car. 128. Do you know what's the 128 code for the this bonnet? What I'm going to do, I'm going to close the bonnet. Still cap on, it's okay. I'm just going to close the cap for a minute and make sure no leaking surround that area. Yes, I can't see any leak that area. Then I'm going to close the bonnet at the moment. Now light disappeared. However, I'm going to check with the computer and my success or not. Going to the code menu, engine under engine management. Repeated. Right, code menu, codes. Bingo, you can see no present code. And also computer dashboard, also car dashboard, nothing there, all fine. Basically, if you see like this code, better to do the thermostat. However, customer need to do the oil service also well, because the online people talk about the oil service, but it's not related to the this repair. However, now I'm going to do the oil service, make sure customer happy. Thanks for watching. If you have a like this code, you know what to do. Please subscribe, follow my channel. You can get a lot of video like this. Thank you. See you with the next video.